Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Lego surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lego head surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to line up the corners and I want to fold it in half so it looks like a card. When I open it up, it's like this. Next, I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to fold it one more time so that it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I've got these nice guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up and make a surprise fold. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the Lego head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to curve in. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then I'm going to curve into here. Next, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then up here, kind of like a big smiley face shape. Next, I'm going to come over, and then just curve it down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and I'm going to curve it in. And I'll do the same thing over here. Just come down and curve it in. Then we just want to go ahead and connect these two lines right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line down, and I'll do the same thing over here. Next, I'm just going to bring this across for the neck of our Lego character. Starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and down like this. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to come out, and we're going to go down like that. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down for the arm. And same thing here, out, and then just a nice little curve down for the arm. Now let's make the top here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and another one right over here. Next, I'm just going to curve this to connect it. And then I'm just going to curve this here. Now let's make the eyes. Starting here, I'm just going to make sort of an oval shape for one of the eyes. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'll make another oval shape right over here for the other eye. At the top, I'm going to make a circle, and I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to make a circle, and then I'm just going to color this in. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'll just color this in. Now, right above here, I'm going to make the eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come in here. And then same thing here. Just draw another line that's just going to come out. I'll make them a little bit thicker. So I'll just draw another line and then just kind of color this in. Same thing here. I'm just going to make another line and then just color this in. Now, underneath here, I'm going to make a little smile. So I'm just going to start by making a little line right here for the mouth. And I'm just going to make it just a tiny bit darker. Now, once we have our Lego character drawn, we want to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once I open this up, I have two halves of my Lego character, and I'm going to draw the inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to begin by drawing this line down a little bit. And I'll do the same thing here. I'll draw this one down. And then I'll bring this one up a little bit. And same thing over here. I'm going to make this one come up. Now, I want to make a big mouth on here. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to make a gray, big smiley face shape right there. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that comes down on each side. Then I don't want to draw anything in the middle just yet, so I'm just going to kind of line this up, and I'm going to make a nice big curve right here for the mouth, and just kind of line these up. Now, starting right here, I'm going to add some teeth. So I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come right across here for some teeth. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to come up, just kind of curve it, and then down to here. And then I'll make a little line for the tongue. So I'm just going to curve up and down, and then up and down for the tongue. Now, I want to make some more little Lego characters coming out of here with different faces on them. So I'm going to start with one in the middle. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line across. Then I'm just going to curve this down, and I'll curve this down right here. Then I'm just going to curve this. I'm going to come across and curve it up. It's kind of like a square that has rounded corners on it. Next, I'll make a line that goes up, over, and down for the top. And then one at the bottom. I'm going to go down, over, and then up for the neck. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little face. So I'm just going to begin by making 2 circles for the eyes. And I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to make some eyebrows that just kind of come up like this at an angle, so they almost look a little worried. I'm going to make a big sad face for the mouth. And then I'll just draw a line to connect it. I'll add a little line in here for some teeth and another one here. And then I'm just going to color this in. Next, let's make another one over here. So I'm going to draw another one of those squares that just has rounded corners on it. So we're just going to make a little square that has rounded corners. Then we'll make the top of our Lego. We'll just go up, over, and down. And we'll make the bottom. Go down, over, and up for the neck. Now, in this one, I'm going to make a kind of like a cool Lego person. So I'm going to draw a line across for some sunglasses. I'm going to go down, over, and up. And then I'm going to go down, over, and then up. I'll make a line here and a line here. And then I'm just going to color this part in really quickly just to fill in the sunglasses. Then I'm just going to make a little smiley face for the mouth. Now let's put another face over here. So I'm just going to draw another one of those little rounded cornered square shapes. Then we'll make the top up here, and we'll make the neck down here. Now I'll do the same thing. I'm just going to make 2 circles for eyes, then I'm just going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Then this time, I'm going to make a smiley face shape on the side. Little line here. And then a couple little curves for eyebrows. Then I'll make a line that's going to curve down and up with a little line in there for the tongue. Now let's put another one over here. We'll make another one of those square shapes. I'm going to make this one sort of at an angle here. We'll do the top and the bottom. And then on this face, I'm going to make 2 little circles. I'm going to make a little kind of surprised eyebrows. And then I'm going to make a little smile face, but then I'm going to come down. I'm going to go up and down and then back up. So it looks like it's really surprised. Now the last thing I'm going to do over here is I just want to put a normal Lego piece over here. So I'm just going to keep this simple. I'm going to draw a line, And then I'm going to make 2 lines that go up. And then a line across. Then I'm going to make 3 little kind of square shapes on there for the top of the Lego. Now the next thing is I want to connect the mouth. So I'm just going to bring this line down here. And I'll bring this line down here. Then I'm going to connect this. And then I'll connect these just by jumping over these pieces here. And then I'm just going to draw a couple little lines over here just so it looks like that all these pieces are kind of like flying out of here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Lego face surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got a simple Lego person, and then when it opens, you can see that all these little Lego pieces are flying out of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.